when I'm throwing the bowling ball very bad and I'm pulling the ball and I'm missing inside of my target, this is what I do to fix that, and it only takes a couple of seconds. This is what I like to call loosening the tension screw of your swing. So before I throw my bowling ball, this can be done off the approach, or you can be on the approach and you can do this. But before I throw my bowling ball, I want to do a pre-swing. This pre-swing, I want to feel the freeness and looseness of that swing. So I'm free, I'm loose. I understand that feeling. So then when I'm ready to actually throw my bowling ball, I want to replicate that same feeling of freeness and that same feeling of looseness. And when I get into my approach and I'm ready to go, then throughout the entirety of my approach, I want to feel that same freeness and I want to feel that same looseness until the point of release. And when you do this, you are going to feel more relaxed and you are going to throw the ball a lot better than you were the past couple of frames.